Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing a flashlight. Say P90 flashing with COB light with USB. So in the box got the USB cable, the manual, also got a battery. This is a double battery, I think. This one say 26,650, 10,000 milliamp, 3.7 volt lithium ion. This one. In the front, it got like a big dome in the front, a round dome. I can turn this. I think this will be adjusting like the focus. I think this is in and out. That's the focus. So it got a power button, and it got the micro USB cable. It got a micro USB plug-in and a USB. So the USB gonna be for charging, like you use as a power bank, and the micro USB is for charging. So at the bottom, you got the slot for the battery. So this one, so it's not, you can push it in and out like this to adjust the focus, I think. So it doesn't have anything to do with turning or anything. So on the manual, it's the bolt is XHP90 LED plus COB LED. So as I know on Amazon, when I ordered this thing, it say 90,000 lumens. So that's the brightness of the flashlight. So it has a light right here on the side. It's like for you to standing like this, and on the light, and there's a light in the front, so it's LED, and this one's LED too. So I'm gonna put the battery in and charge it, and I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna try to turn it on, see if it has any juice on there. Oh, it's very bright. Wow, it's super bright. You can see the brightness of it. Very bright. I'm gonna test it out at night, see how it is. So right now the battery is full. It has another mode right here, the flashing mode. So to turn on the side flashlight, the side light, you double click it like that, and now it's turned on. And you press it one more, it turn to like lower mode. Press it one more, turn to red, and one more, turn it to flashing red. turn it off. So tonight I'm gonna go outside and test it out, see how bright it is at night. So far it's pretty bright, and I can feel the heat a little bit on my hand. It's not hot that it burned your hand, but a little warm. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Double click on the side. So right here show the indicator of the battery life, I think. Right now it's got 4 bars, so it's full. Yeah, so it's very bright. Hi guys, so it's nighttime, and I brought my flashlight. So first I'm gonna compare to my car, see how bright it is. So that's my car. It's shining pretty far. So to that tree over there. So now I'm gonna shine my light on it. See how it's compared to the car. Voila. Yeah, so my flashlight. Right there, that's the flashlight compared to the car. But yeah, I can see it's a little brighter. See pretty far, I see farther away. So it's definitely brighter than the car. So I'm turning it off. And that's my car. I have like the fog light and the headlight on, both of them on. And it's shining pretty far, but the flashlight farther. I don't know if you guys can see the trees over there with the flashlight. Yeah, it's a little brighter. So I have walked to the edge of the wood. It's like very dark over here. See the street light back there, the house. And now I'm gonna test on my flashlight. There you go, guys. See how bright it is. You see the trees. Yeah, it's very hard to see the trees, I guess, but you can see the trees at night. It's very bright. It's really, really bright. I'm gonna walk this way. You see the trees up there. Yeah, so that's how big the lights, the circle. So that's how big the circle is. So now I'm gonna walk to the river. So if you pull it out, all you see is a square. Yeah, so I pull the light out and all I see is a square right there. And if I zoom in, now it's a circle. So yeah, like that. There's a little small river over here. You see any fish down here? So I got my flashlight back in my room. And so this is what it looked like at night. My room is I got like a decent light, but with the flashlight on, see it's really bright. And this is the zoom feature. It's like a square. Back to the circle. You pull out like this. It's less bright, but like a square, like that. You pull back in. It's a circle, and it's very brighter, a lot brighter. All right. So overall, I think it's a decent flashlight. got the battery indicator up here. Right now it's been had 3 bar, and got like a USB port here for you to charge your phone. That's a pretty cool feature too. And the battery is rechargeable, and this thing is water resistant, so as long as you don't submerge it in the water, you're good. So the battery compartment is right here. I got a seal right here, a ring around it right there. So now I'm gonna plug it in and charge it. You guys can see how it charges with a micro USB. So I'm gonna plug in the micro USB to charge the battery, and indicate the battery is charging right now. Alright, overall I think it's a good flashlight. It has I like the light feature on the side. You set it down like this, and you use it for the side. It's pretty cool too. So you don't have to hold the flashlight, you know, like you're working on something. So, alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.